If you want to make money creating content, learning how to make money on YouTube is a good place to start. With the help of YouTube's trusted affiliate program and built-in advertising system, you can make money on YouTube pretty quickly. With YouTube, and the bigger and more engaged your audience is, the better the financial returns. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollar, for more videos like this. How can I turn my YouTube channel into money? The main way to make money on YouTube is to join a YouTube partner program. With it, you can earn money with advertising, and it's quite easy to set up. If you meet all the requirements, you can sign up for a YouTube partner program on your lunch break and still have time for a quick walk. To us, that sounds like a win. To be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you'll first need to meet a few things. You live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is already running. You have a channel with at least 1,000 subscribers, reach 4,000 valid public viewing hours in the last 12 months. This includes YouTube live videos. You have an active AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel, have a channel with no current community policy violations, follow all of YouTube's monetization guidelines, enable two-step verification for the Google account linked to your YouTube account to be extra secure online. Is it free to monetize YouTube? Yes, of course, you'll have to pay for equipment and such, but there's no initial fee for making money on YouTube. The platform does get a cut of your earnings, but you're never charged anything upfront. Okay, so you've met all the criteria for the YouTube affiliate program. Now you just need to head over to YouTube Studio to get everything going. Let's go through the process of activation and start making money on YouTube. Here's how to activate your YouTube Studio monetization. From the YouTube homepage, click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio. From the drop-down menu, click Monetization in the left navigation bar. Once you've met the requirements, you'll see a small blue button that says Apply Now. Click it. If you haven't quite met the requirements yet, there's a Notify Me when I'm eligible button. Click it and YouTube will send you an email when you're ready. YouTube will now verify that you meet the community guidelines. A lot of this goes without saying, but it's worth familiarizing yourself with the rules so you don't accidentally break them later. At this point, you should also check that your channel location settings are correct. Otherwise, you might run into problems if your channel isn't set to the correct country. Link your YouTube channel to your AdSense account or create one here. Enter your email address and the URL your YouTube channel you want to run ads on. Read the terms and conditions, sign into your Google account, and create your AdSense account. That's it. If you already have an AdSense account, all you need to do is sign in and connect it to your YouTube channel. Once you've enabled monetization with your YouTube Partner Program, you can enable ads in videos. This can be done for every video or for a few videos. An important tip: ad revenue depends on several factors, including the number of viewers, where they are, and how they interact with your content. It's not just about quality. If a particular audience watches a lot of videos but doesn't click on links, it's less worth it to advertisers. Another important fact is that if you want to make money on YouTube, you need to avoid copyright lawsuits, lockdowns, and third-party monetization of your content. The last point sounds a bit crazy, but it can happen. In most cases, YouTubers use music they don't have rights to, which alerts the right holders, usually the songwriter, artist, recording label, and allows them to take action. How much can you earn after monetizing your channel? The amount you can earn on YouTube depends on several factors. These include your niche, the number of clicks your ad receives, the length of your video, where your viewers are located around the world, number of views your video receives. The average YouTube compensation rate is between 10 cents to 30 cents per ad view. YouTube retains 45% of AdSense revenue, leaving you with 55%. An established YouTuber can earn about $18 per 1,000 ad views, which typically works out to about $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. However, a more realistic expectation is probably to earn $1 to $2 per 1,000 video views. For comparison, you'll need to generate over 1 million views per month to make a full-time income. That's why so many video producers don't rely on Google AdSense monetization alone. Other ways to make money on YouTube. Most content creators monetize their YouTube channel as part of their efforts to bring in money. It's not their only source of income. There are several ways to make money on YouTube that are directly related to the YouTube Partner Program and others that aren't. Let's take a look at these: Super Chat, Super Stickers, and Super Thanks. These are fun little features that let viewers show their appreciation and let you earn some money on the side. If you want to interact with your fans and make money on YouTube at the same time, you should go to Super. For each Super feature, creators get a 70% share, and YouTube collects the rest. Not a bad split. Super Chat is available to YouTube live videos and premieres. It gives viewers the opportunity to donate an amount between $1 and $500, which means their comment will appear prominently in the live chat. Super Stickers serve a similar purpose to the Super Chat. They're fun stickers that viewers can buy and pin to the top of the live chat. This means that commenters with Super Stickers are more likely to catch the creator's attention during the stream. Do you need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to get paid? The short answer is yes. In order to advertise and take full advantage of YouTube monetization with YouTube Partner Program, 1,000 followers is part of the deal. However, while opportunities like channel membership are reserved for creators under the YouTube Partner Program, there are other options as well. Let's talk about channel membership and third-party subscription. Channel membership. Once you've acquired a group of diehard fans, you can monetize YouTube by enabling channel membership. To do this, you'll need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Once you activate the membership, you can set what your subscribers will receive when they sign up and what the price should be for the different levels. The amount will be deducted every month, so don't charge crazy amounts. One-on-one chats and merch shelf discounts are some nice perks you can offer here. But remember that YouTube retains 30% of the monthly membership fee. Monetizing YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts launched in 2021 and offers bite-sized snippets of what you have to offer as a creative. It's similar to TikTok, and while there's no direct way to monetize YouTube Shorts, there's money lying around somewhere. Successful creators receive a portion of the YouTube Shorts fund, from which thousands of dollars flow to creators every month. It's not a guarantee, but it's worth working towards. Leverage all your social media platforms for paid brand sponsorships. Many YouTubers have active, engaged profiles on multiple social media platforms, giving their YouTube channel an expanded offering. This is a smart move that helps you find new audiences on multiple platforms. In addition, brands might be willing to collaborate with you on sponsored content across multiple channels, not just YouTube. Brand endorsements and product, service, or testimonials could be thrown into the mix. And if you're influential on a platform other than YouTube, show it. Be careful with statistics and analytics though. Companies want to see a return on investment when they tap into your audience. So you have a job to do if you're going to do anything with all that free giveaways you get from brand deals. Brands look for a mix of audience reach and engagement when choosing influencers, bloggers, and creatives to work with. So keep that in mind. Leverage your expertise to freelance. With a successful YouTube channel, you'll likely develop some solid skills as a videographer. That means you'll be able to build a brand, market their content, and attract an engaged audience. Basically, you're pretty cool. Companies might approach you, or you could approach them and offer your work based on your skills. This could be freelance work that you create for them or in collaboration with them. Either way, you now have a portfolio to show potential clients or brands what you can do. Turn your talent into money and monetize YouTube in a different way. And now you are ready to make money on YouTube. Comment your favorite way down below, and as always, have a nice day.